Hello everybody, my name is Mat115, and today we're going to be solving a problem from section 1.2 of my textbook, which is problem solving principles and the standards for mathematical practice in the Common Core State Standard. Now today we're going to be solving problem set 1.2 number 1, which, as you can see, it's a three-part question, and so it says Nancy is thinking of a number. If you multiply it by 5 and then add 13, you get 48. Could Nancy's number be number 10? Why or why not? What technique could you use to find Nancy's number? And finally, what is Nancy's number? So, to start this off, we're trying to test to see if the number 10 could work. So, we would simply run it through what she says. So she says, take it and you multiply it by 5, which we know would be 50, and then you add 13 to it. That would give you the answer of 63. So as you can tell, 10 could not be Nancy's number, because when we throw it through her system of multiply by 5, add 13, you get 63, not 48. So some of the techniques we could use are guess and check, which is, it would work, but obviously we have to go from every number from 1 to 10 and keep guessing and trying. So it's not very effective. Another way we could do it is sort of like reverse engineering, where we instead of seeing, what happens in the outcome, we take the outcome and run it through the machine backwards to find our answer. This obviously is not actually called reverse engineering method, but that's just the easiest way of thinking about it. You're just doing the reverse of whatever you could, of whatever it was to find it. So, since I'm going to run through both of them to find Nancy's number, so for the guess and check, we just start going down. So we go 9 times 5, which would be 45, and then we would add 13 to that, and we figure out that the answer is 58, which is still too high. So we try again, we go 8 times 5, and then we have 40, you would add 13, and you would get 53. Now we're really close, because what we're looking for is 48. We're at 53. So then we keep going, we know we're right in the area, so we go 7 times 5 is 35, and then we could add 13, and there we go, we got 48 as our answer. But as you can see, that took a lot. We had to go through 10, 9, 8, and 7. Now the better method, when we go reverse engineering, we would take the number 48, and instead of adding 13, we subtract 13. So minus 13, and we would get the answer being 35. So we know, so now when we normally multiply it, we instead divide it to find the original number. So instead of multiplying by 5, we divide it by 5 and figure out that the original number was 7. Now, as you can see, both these methods work, but one we did in one short equation, and the other one took us 4 equations. And it would have taken more if we didn't know 10 was the starting place. So there are many different methods of problem solving. Guess and check is always reliable, like it always works, but it was very time consuming. And on like a test or a quiz or something, you're not going to have the time to go through that with every single question. So sometimes you just got to use your head, do a little bit of reversing whatever they did, do some reverse engineering, and you can get the answer a lot quicker. Thank you so much for listening, and goodbye.